from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
COVID-19 numbers are down for the fourth straight day in Henrico, and county officials provide more information about mass vaccinations planned for next week. We'll have details in the Henrico News Minute for Friday, January 15th, 2021. It's brought to you today by Henrico County.
And now for the news.
A little bit of good news in Henrico's battle against COVID-19. The case counts fell for the fourth straight day yesterday in the county to 133, according to the Virginia Department of Health. Henrico's average daily number of new cases during the past 7 days also has continued to drop. It was down to 182 as of yesterday. The county has reported 11 new deaths and 9 new hospitalizations during the past 3 days, however. But its PCR positivity percentage during the 7 days ending January 10th fell to 13.2%, while the rapid test positivity percentage in the same period dropped to 12.1%. Henrico is now averaging more than 2,400 tests a day. About 2/3 of those are PCR tests. Henrico teachers, firefighters, police officers, and hazmat officials will have their opportunity to be vaccinated against COVID-19 beginning next Wednesday in a mass vaccination event at Richmond Raceway. Henrico Health District officials anticipate that they'll be able to give about 320 vaccinations every hour for 12 hours, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That would add up to about 11,500 initial doses for county employees. That word came yesterday during the Henrico School Board meeting from the county school system's health supervisor, Robin Gilbert. Gilbert indicated that the school system officials who are vaccinated there next week would receive the Moderna vaccine. That is a 2-dose vaccine given 4 weeks apart, so in theory, the school system employees and other county officials in Phase 1B of vaccinations who want to be vaccinated could receive those shots by Friday the 22nd. In theory, then the second round of shots would take place leading up to February 19th. The vaccine provides up to 50% protection against COVID 4 weeks after the first shot and 95% effective protection 2 weeks after the second shot. As we first reported yesterday afternoon, more than 73% of Henrico Schools employees who responded to a school system survey earlier this week said they are very likely or likely to take a vaccine when it is available to them. Nearly 3,500 of those respondents said they were very likely to take the vaccine. Another 14.5% said that they were likely to do so. About 10% said they were very unlikely to be vaccinated, while another 4% said they were not likely. Nearly 13% indicated that they were not sure. The school system surveyed all 10,155 of its employees Monday and Tuesday. Just more than 5,900 of them responded. That was a return rate of about 58%. Superintendent Amy Cashwell on Tuesday delayed a return to in-person learning indefinitely to allow for vaccination of those school system employees who choose to be vaccinated. The time frame then would place the school system into early March before all employees who get the vaccine have full protection. Also, at yesterday's school board meeting, the board unanimously elected Three Chop District member Mickey Ogburn as its chair and Tuckahoe District member Marcy Shea as vice chair for this year. It'll be Ogburn's third time serving as chair. This is her 10th year on the board. Shea is serving her second year, and this will be her first leadership position. Also, at yesterday's meeting, the school board held a public hearing about a proposed redistricting plan for several Far West End elementary schools and also Holiday Elementary School in Lakeside. Only one speaker addressed the board, but not about those issues directly. 4 people left comments about the proposal, which the board expects to vote on at its next meeting, January 28th. The redistricting is needed to relieve overcrowding at River's Edge Elementary School and also to prepare Holiday, which is being doubled in size for the coming school year when it reopens. We'll mark your calendar for next Thursday, January 21st. If you'd like to learn more about the proposed Green City development in northern Henrico, Fairfield District Supervisor Frank Thornton will host a virtual constituent meeting that day at 6 p.m. He'll discuss plans for the development, which is in his Fairfield district, with representatives from Green City LLC as well as county staff members. You can tune in on the Henrico County Government channel on YouTube. Next Tuesday night, January 19th, Henrico Schools will host a virtual Varina Town Hall meeting from 6 to 7:30 p.m. It's designed to provide a chance for participants to ask questions about educational topics of interest, as well as get some updates from the school system about COVID-19, community resources, social and emotional support for students, as well as equity and diversity. To participate, bookmark tinyurl.com/varina-town-hall. Every week we take a look at the Virginia Department of Health restaurant inspections in Henrico County. You can view the most recent batch of those on our website, henricocitizen.com, by clicking under Dining. Well, we always appreciate you listening to the Henrico News Minute and checking us out wherever you find us online at henricocitizen.com or on social media. And if you enjoy our coverage of all things Henrico, we'd certainly appreciate your support. You can visit henricocitizen.com/contribute to donate to our local journalism efforts. And now you again have the chance to make your donation tax deductible thanks to our coming partnership with Report for America. We will have a new full-time reporter joining us in June. We're the only Virginia newsroom selected this year to join Report for America, which is a national service project that places reporters in newsrooms around the country. For every dollar we raise, Report for America will match it dollar for dollar up to $25,000. So we certainly appreciate your support. Today's Henrico News Minute is brought to you by Henrico County's COVID-19 Municipal Utility Relief Program. The program provides assistance for delinquent bills between March 1st and December 30th of last year. You can visit henrico.us to learn more and to apply by January 22nd.